Oh no, I have to bend over.
Yeah.
This is the best part, isn't it? Oh my god, this is a workout.
You hit from behind, guys, that came out in the middle. You're shocking from the side. You behind us or in front?
And then that was the last one on the right.
Keep it coming.
Yes, sir. Fucking cards.
There we go.
Oh, sweet. Oh, I got two. Oh, I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. Thank you. Hey, good shot. Good shot.
Good shot.
Dead man. Good trade, good trade. Good trade. Coming through, coming through. Ah, good shit. I'm going to this corner. Hey!
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's part of it. I'm going below you.
To the left and right through the door.
Okay. Dead man. Oh, team, friendly. Dead man. Hey, Wes, you can move up. Sorry, Matt. Oh no, I missed the reload.
I got you.
Hit, good shot, good shot. Dead man. I'm crossing in front of you. Dead man. I'm crossing a different way. Two in the door.
Left side door.
Good shit. Dead man.
They're funnel on that left side.
On our bed.
On the van? He's dead on the van?
Not on our bed. This side. On your bed.
Sorry, Wes. Hey, not arm bend. Not arm bend. Not arm bend. Not arm bend. Oh, nice shot.
Game. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. Game over. Ceasefire.
What was that? Well, I'm coming back to get it. Oh, it's on my mags.
Yeah?
Well, shit. Our guys are there anyways. Now they're on the van, so you guys can go up. You'll be fine.
Oh, our guys are there?
Yep.
Across the other side of this building is where the target is.
Stay on.
Good shot.
Okay, what do we got?
I need to reload. Okay.
Where are they? Do you know?
I just killed 3 of them right away.
Okay. That? Okay. Right there.
Fuck, I thought that was our guys. God damn it.
No, it came off the grainer.
Reloading.
Let's see again. Call your heads.
He went up to the front of the van though. I think he tried to go. One more van. Van, two on van are dead. 2 van dead.